Good morning. I'd like to share a testimonial or success story of this last 30 days or last 29 days. I just want to shout out to the people that I've been reading their posts for the last 29 days, and they've really been an inspiration to me. And I don't know how successful I am, but I have the feeling that I'm on the road. And I know that the people that have participated in this are going to be successful. And so I just kind of wanted to read the names of people that I've watched their videos, watched their texts, their TikToks, their posts on YouTube, on Facebook, and they've touched me. So I just wanted to read their names. Wanda, Tom, Craig, Caleb, Jennifer, Sapano, Rico, Elizabeth, and Sharon. Those are the ones I've seen consistently. I know that there was maybe 200 or 300 people on this challenge. I know that there was a lot of very successful people on this challenge too. And from time to time, they made comment. And I just know that with this kind of support, it helps us to be successful. And so that's the success story. And on top of that all, I want to thank Amy. Amy put this together. She's very, very astute at doing this. She checks in on you. She puts things together in such a wonderful way. And yesterday she had an interview with Craig, and those are inspirational too, because we know kind of backstories. We're learning to know each other, and so that is really a blessing. And so I just want to share that, and then tomorrow I plan to kind of summarize what my feelings are and where I want to go from here. So thank you all. You're awesome people, and I'm glad that I know you, and I look forward to many more conversations and interactions with you all. Thank you all.